Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded, I know, I'm sorry. But I thought instead of doing a regular vlog, I'll narrate to you guys like what I did in Goa so it feels like I'm talking to a friend and that's kinda cute. So yeah, this is what I did in Goa. So we took a train from Udupi to Madgaon and the views on the way were so beautiful. Like, can you guys see this? It's so pretty. It took us around 4 hours to reach Madgaon station, and from there we took a taxi to Anjana, the area where we were staying. The views on the way were so beautiful. I instantly felt like I was in a movie. Like, oh my god, Goa, like, what am I doing here? Oh my god. Yeah, so the first day when we reached, we actually didn't do anything, but we watched this really beautiful sunset on the way, and so I thought I'll show you guys the place we lived around. Hostel tour. Hee. So this is where we stayed. It's called the Red Door Hostel, and yeah, it's really pretty. Like, that was our room. We had 8 beds in this place, and when you go down, look at the walls. They were so pretty. And when you go down, there's this like kitchen and lounging area where you just get to chill around, and there was this cutesy bookshelf. The people there were so nice. It was such a fun place to stay. And when you go out, you have this little cutesy cafe where you can hang out and chill all the time. And yeah, there's a little small swing, and it's just a very pretty place, like so pretty. Just look at that. It's our day 2 in Goa, and we just got up. We didn't have much planned today, but it's also Sanjana's birthday, so we're gonna go to some place nice. But as of now, we need to head for breakfast. We have no clue where we're going, so we're waiting for our scooties to be out. So I'm excited. We're going for brunch. Food. So for brunch, we decided to go to this place called Britos near Baga Beach. And again, I'm gonna keep repeating this. Every place in Goa was so freaking pretty. I could not deal with it. We walk into this place. First of all, it's so pretty on the outside. We enter to see the place fully decorated with hearts because it was Valentine's Day. Yeah, Sanjana's birthday is on that day. I know she's gonna kill me for saying this. So we go there, and the food was pretty amazing. We had chicken noodles. That was pretty good. And this is me trying to fit us all into the frame. Kind of clown. Yeah, but we rented these scooters and we went around the whole place, and the views on the way and on the way back were so pretty. I could not deal with it. So the evening rolls around and we decide to go to some place nice. We dress up and show up at Purple Martinis because look at the sunset. This is the view this place has to offer. So freaking amazing. We could not deal with it. But as we enter that place, we couldn't decide what to eat, and so we decided to walk out and go to Luna's. Rihanna, what are these? Why have we gotten them?
For Valentine's.
Yes, the people here were like, it's because it's Valentine's Day, they give every customer a rose. Yes,
Happy Valentine's.
it's a true love confession. I am crying, I'm in tears. This is so,
Not me giving my child.
yes. This,
Wait, let me give my wife.
yes, yes.
Happy Valentine's.
Thank you so much. I am literally in tears. Can't see my tears, but they're there.
I can see.
Yes. Luna's was actually right around our hostel and we did not know about it. We were just walking around the streets and we accidentally discovered this place. We enter this place, it looks so pretty and the food was amazing. We were just in awe of everything. We cleaned those plates like it's nobody's business. Good morning. Wow, that's so hard. Oh yeah, copyright. It's day 2. We got these pretty beachy shirts last night and we wore this today. So I'm gonna do full outfit like 2 minutes later when Sanjana does it for me. Anyways, we were going to Arjuna for lunch. It's a really popular place and it's like very pretty. We're gonna go there, then hit the beach and then do other touristy things that I'm gonna take you along. We walk into Arjuna and I'm like, all my influencer dreams are coming to life. This place was exactly like it was in the pictures. It actually was way prettier. I could not deal with it. It was just look at it. food here was amazing. Rihanna ordered a Greek sandwich and Sanjana ordered some hummus, and I ordered this egg croissant sandwich, and they were all actually really good.
Because I found the weirdest Wimpy Kid book ever. It goes like this. What the fuck is this? Doc Diaries. Even this is in the Hebrew and it's ulta. The books are ulta. Because you're not in Goa every day.
I don't know who asked me to spill facts like this, but okay. Arjuna was worth all the hype. It was genuinely a good place. The place was pretty, the food was amazing, and also there was some artwork for sale. You could also buy like merch and t-shirts and stuff like that. It was genuinely a good place. 10 on 10 would recommend. And after Arjuna, we decided to head on to the Dil Chahta Hai Fort, to the Chapora Fort, and my Bollywood fangirl was quaking.
Picture देखनी नहीं चाहिए थी. It's recording.
Oh, we are so tired.
So we're at the fort and the views are really pretty, but then the rest of the group decided to go walk further. And we're sitting here and we're getting burnt like toast.
कल सुबह नाश्ता.
Exactly. It's so hot, but the views are really pretty.
The sunburn is worth the view.
Yes, it's worth the view.
Or is it the view is worth the sunburn? Did I just forget my English?
Sunburn is worth the view. The view is worth.
The
View is worth the sunburn. Yeah. Brains are getting toast.
First impact.
We look very done with the day, but we
Your
have
face
the
is
rest
not
of the
very
day. We have. It's for a reason that it's not on the camera. You look much better. We're twinning today. We got these shirts from like local store. This time I look so cute. We're getting burnt. पानी चाहिए, कोई पानी दे दो यार.
अरे वहीं पे तो है.
Ah yeah. Front camera. I feel like Tom Hanks from that movie with the volleyball. Yeah, Wilson. Wilson's the volleyball. You watched Castaway?
No.
Oh god. I feel like I'm in Castaway right now.
Oh.
There's so much water, but I can't drink.
Trapped जैसी feeling आ रही है.
Oh yeah, I have not watched
खुद का
Trapped.
खून पी लो.
Oh god.
He drinks his piss in it.
What? Stop flying over us, bro. I'm so scared. Anyways, we're gonna go to that actual fort-like place, the wall, take pictures. It's gonna be so cute.
So the wall that we were talking about was the Dil Chahta Hai wall, the one where Saif, Amir and Akshay posed together. We went there and we pretended that we were in the movie. Not gonna lie, they actually played the actual song on speakers at the fort, so we felt like main characters. And we also have another main character clip coming up.
Running. Yeah. Oh my god, it's sunset. It's a little dark, but we are at this Dear Zindagi lane. It's so pretty.
cute. It's literally.
It's so surreal. I feel like I'm in the film. So this
Yeah.
lane is the place where they shot the scene from
The
Dear
cycling
Zindagi,
scene.
the cycling scene, and it's so pretty. First of all, it literally looks like the
The
same.
movie.
Yeah. And like
You know how your expectations build up and
Yeah.
then it's usually not as good?
Yeah.
This is like the opposite.
Exactly. This is like so. I feel like the main character. I'm like,
Yeah.
where is my Shah Rukh Khan? So many cars here though. Like so many people come around this place now, but it's so pretty, and the lanes on the way, so pretty. I'm in tears.
Yeah. Good dears.
And just like that, our trip came to an end. The next day we got up and we got onto a train and we were heading back home. The views, by the way, were so pretty. Again, we saw the sunset on the train and it was amazing. Best way to end the trip. And I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you in the next one.